in it. Oh. He's got a good grip.
Because Buddy's teeth,
Look,
I mean,
he wants this one. No. Come on. He's like attached. Oh. Oh, Bud, has he stolen it? Oh, don't you come to me, little munchkin. Don't you come to me. Look, you're tormenting him. Ah, look what he's got. You have the chicken. You have the chicken. There you go. There you go. Oh, no, he wants the mouse. I don't want you. Oh, Bud, you're so beautiful. Oh, you haven't had a minute, have you, mate? You haven't had a minute. Is that yummy? Louie? Hello? Hello? Are you bugging your Uncle Buddy? Are you tormenting him? Uh-oh. Bright in your little eyes. But you can't see him on the black.
just about.
Ah, that's me. Not you biting. Go on, Lulu. There you go. I'm surprised Buddy doesn't think he's a toy. Don't be liking that. Ew, Buddy, don't be like that. No, Buddy.
He was doing that yesterday as well.
He just gets a bit excited.